Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Quip for team collaboration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Quip for team collaboration, first, create a Quip account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Quip website or download the application from your preferred app store. Once you have the app open, click on sign up to create your account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard will display your documents, folders, and team members' activities. To create your first document, click on the New Document button located in the top left corner. Give your document a descriptive title to help your team understand its purpose. You can start typing immediately to add content to your document. Quip supports rich text editing, so use formatting options to enhance readability. To invite team members to collaborate, click on the Share button at the top right of the document. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. You can also adjust their permission level, allowing them to view, comment, or edit. Once your team members are added, you'll see their avatars next to the document title as they join. Encourage your team to use comments for discussions. Highlight any text and click on the comment icon to leave feedback. Your comments will appear in the right sidebar for easy reference. To resolve comments, click Resolve once the issue has been addressed. You can also utilize tasks within Quip to assign responsibilities. To create a task, type it followed by a team member's name. This will allow you to assign specific tasks directly in the document. Team members will receive notifications for their assigned tasks. Regularly check the activity feed on the dashboard to stay updated on changes. Use the search feature to quickly locate documents or comments. Creating folders will help organize your documents. Drag and drop documents into folders for better management. Explore integrations with other tools your team uses, such as Salesforce or Slack. This will streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. Finally, encourage your team to make the most of Quip's functionalities over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.